Hey, it's Andrew.
Aiden.
And we're here to do a video together.
We're gonna combine Takis and chicken, because
Everyone loves those.
and of course we have our amazing guest, the air fryer.
So let's go spice things up. So for this recipe, you're gonna need some chicken breasts that we will soon fillet and some Takis.
So you get the Takis, you open the bag. Nobody guessed that part. I'm joking. Then you pour them all in the blender. And hit blend.
Aiden and I really love the Ninja blender because you can blend a lot all at once, and also you're not going to get a combined mess on the bottom. You have run in the past where it blended too much in the bottom and then kind of mixed throughout. So this multi-blade Ninja works great for blending up those Takis into a uniform mixture that will stick to that chicken perfectly. Next step, let's slice the chicken up. Well, you're in luck because we did all the slicing of the chicken for you. We have some nice halves here, which will get a lot of nice leather breading, and it'll cook a little bit quicker. Now we just need to get our seasoning in our bag.
And it's our special seasoning that no one has ever made before.
And this is where we both come in handy because this becomes a two-man job. Aiden's job has always been holding this special recipe of Taki seasoning.
And shaking it. Zip her up. And shake. And guess who's ready for the air fryer?
Aiden, nicely done. Another perfect job in the kitchen. And it'll sit there with a couple more, then we'll start up the air fryer.
So you put one chicken in at a time so that you get more breading onto the chicken and more flavorful chicken.
We ended up cutting them in halves, so we fit 4 halves inside, enough to give some airspace between each so they get a nice crispiness, and they're ready to go inside. We always like to retain the tenderness of the chicken, so we're gonna cook it at a little bit lower temperature than I would a beef or lamb. And the time is gonna vary depending on the size of the chunks, so we're gonna start it out at 25 minutes and kind of check it during. We've been cooking for a little while now, and we're just gonna check it. Usually check for tenderness using a fork, pressing on it. Or if you want to do the standby method, chicken needs to get to what temperature again?
165 degrees Fahrenheit.
That'll make sure it's safe for eating.
These seem like they're almost done, so that means we're gonna eat them very soon.
And ours were done at 22 minutes. You getting hungry yet?
Yeah, let's test it. Seems pretty firm.
Perfect. Let's taste test this.
Bottoms up.
Thanks for checking out the video. If you have questions or comments, please let us know below.